Today, I'm going to give you 3 steps to make profit with low margin suppliers. Hey Amazon sellers and soon to be Amazon sellers, it's Sophia from ALGO Online. A lot of times we hear people say, hey, I have this great authorized supplier, but all of the products that sell fast have little or no profit after Amazon fees. We see this all the time, and the reality is that the supplier probably is selling those same products to other Amazon sellers at a price where they can profit, but they're not selling it to you at those lower prices for one main reason, and that is you don't have a relationship with a supplier. For example, I have seen price lists when I have more than a 25% lower cost than a new student I'm working with, or in other cases, I know I can always get a 10% discount from a supplier just by asking. So why is it that newbies working with exact same suppliers say that supplier doesn't sell profitable products, but other experienced sellers and I are making profitable purchases from that same supplier every day? Well, it really comes down to the supplier not wanting to waste their time on newbie sellers. Think about it. The popular authorized suppliers are probably getting contacted by dozens or even hundreds of newbie Amazon sellers daily that want to open accounts, they ask for the price list, and they never buy anything. So why would the supplier even bother giving these newbie tire kickers good pricing when sellers like me have worked with them for years and bought every single week, right? Now, there's a secret, and you can pretty easily become a real customer of theirs by just doing these 3 things. 1, make purchases from them, 1 or 2, even if it means that you won't make a huge profit, just to show them that you're a serious buyer. 2, be easy to work with, pay them on time, know what to send and what to ask for regarding shipping and other things. And 3, after a few purchases, just start by asking if they can do better pricing on specific products. As a bonus, you can also just ask for better pricing on a specific product right out of the gate, but you need to be direct. For example, hey, I want to purchase 100 units of XYZ, but I can only pay $10 per unit and not 12. Can you make that happen? Sometimes a supplier will have new customer discounts, and all you need to do is ask. So don't get discouraged and instead get excited. If a supplier has great selling products but they're not profitable enough, you just need to get the ball rolling, and eventually you will work into that better pricing. It's all about taking action and not expecting to make a killing out of the gate with your first order. If you want to learn exactly how to start an Amazon business by tapping into the same resources that thousands of Amazon sellers use, I'm going to put a link on the description for a free live workshop that I'm hosting this week, where I will show you exactly how to start step by step to grow an online business with Amazon. So click on the link below to register, and I will see you there giving you more tips about how to get started.